Hello. From lesson 1 or through to lesson 8, you have been learning how to find the perimeter of different shapes from kites to rectangles to triangles and many others. And now that we know how to calculate the perimeter of those shapes, can we add some extra logic into the algebra? And now in this lesson, we learn how to find the perimeter of shapes when there is some algebra. So we can start with this one, of which the shape is a rectangle. Then we are told a rectangle has sides labeled as x plus 3, then 2x as the length. Then you are told to find an expression for the perimeter in terms of x. And as we said in the previous lessons, a perimeter is the total distance outside a shape. So here when we talk about perimeter, is that one. And then in one of the lessons, we said perimeter of a rectangle is given by P is given by 2A plus 2B, because two sides of a rectangle are equal. Like in this case, this side here and this one are equal, then this one and this one are equal. And that's why we have 2A plus 2B. But if you don't understand, you can review the previous lessons. You'll see somewhere I've taught about the perimeter of a rectangle. So now, since we have the formula, and we are given here, of course, is x plus 3, then b is 2x. Then to find the perimeter for this, it will be p is equals to 2 into here, which is x plus 3, then plus b, 2b, which is 2 into 2x of that. So from there, we need to take these two outside the brackets and then we multiply it with all the values inside the brackets. So here it will be 2 multiplied by x, which will be 2x, plus 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, then plus 2 multiplied by 2x, which is 4x. The next step is to group like terms together. So it will be 2x plus 4x, then plus 6, like that. So now it becomes 2x plus 4x is 6x, then plus this 6. So since you are told to find the perimeter in terms of x, then this expression is the perimeter of that rectangle. Well, can we try another example? So here you are told a rectangle has sides labeled as 3x minus 1, that is the length, and then the width is x plus 5. Then you find the perimeter in its simplest form. So I can start with perimeter of rectangle is given by 2a plus 2b, like that. But we already know here is 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1, and then b is x plus 5. And I have the formula. We are taught to do it with the simplest form possible. So from there, we can say perimeter P is given by 2 into that we already know is 3x minus 1, then plus B that we know B, or that B to be 2 into x plus 5, like that. So from there, we can open the brackets on each of the sides. As we said, I will multiply each of the values inside the brackets with these 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by 3. So it will be 6x. Then 2 multiplied by negative 1, it will be negative 2. Then plus 2 multiplied by this x, it will be 2x, then 2 multiplied by 10, by 5, it will be 10 plus 10. Then we can group like terms together where it will be 6x plus 2x minus this 2, then now plus this 10 here, like that. But you see, this 6x plus 2x will be 8x, then minus 2 plus 10, that is automatically positive 8. It's just like take 10 minus 2, which will be positive 8. So now we have the perimeter P as 8x plus 8. But we also taught to do it to the simplest form possible. So in this case, I can just say the perimeter P is equals to, you see this 8 and this 8, they are common on both sides. So I can put it outside, and then in brackets I say x, such that x multiplied by this 8, it will be 8x, then plus 1, such that 8 multiplied by 1, it will be 8. So this becomes now the perimeter of that rectangle here. How about if you asked to find the perimeter in a certain given form, and then of course you are given the perimeter, and then you are asked to find the side, maybe the length, and then we go to find the value of x or another value. Like in this case here, you are told the perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeters, then the sides are x plus 4 and x minus 1, then find the value of x. But first of all, let me delete this board so that can have a clear place to leave a question. So from there, here and now we have the perimeter P of that question is 30 centimeters. Then from there, you are told a side here, I can just call it here, is x plus 4. Then side B is x minus 1. Side B is x minus 1. So from there, we already know perimeter P is given by 2a plus 2b, like that. But we already have the perimeter, so it will now be 30 is equals to 2 into which is x plus 4, then plus 2 into x minus 1, because we already have b. So from there, it will be that is equals to 2 multiplied by x, which is 2x, then plus 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8, then plus 2 multiplied by x, which will be 2x, then 2 multiplied by negative 1, which will be minus 2, like that. So it will be 30 is equals to, and group the like terms together here, this 2x plus 2x, and plus this 8 minus that 2. So it will be 30 is equals to 2x plus 2x is 4x, plus 8 minus 2, which is 6. So from there, it will be 30 is equals to 4. I can take this x on the other side of the equal sign, so it will be 30 minus 6 is equals to 4x, like that. So from there, that minus 6 is 24 is equals to 4x, but we only need x. So I divide both sides by 4. So if I divide this one by 4, it will be by 4 and by 4, 6, because it's multiplied by 4 is 24. Then here by 4 and by 4, so it will be x is equals to 6, like that. And if we try to find the p here by replacing x here, it will be 6 plus 4, which is 10. Then here it will be 6 minus 1, which is 5. I think 6 minus 1 is 5, but we already know it will be perimeter is given by 2a plus 2b, but we already know 2 and a now is 10, then plus 2 and b is 5, like that. So it will be 2 multiplied by 10, which is 20, plus 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. So it will be 30 centimeter, which is our original perimeter we are given here. So we are right. So that's how we find perimeter of a given shape with algebra. So if you have any question or there is a place you did not understand, you can ask me. I try to answer all your questions to my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson.